In this video, I'm going to show you how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. As usual, in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Open Instagram app. Then when you open Instagram app, click on the three bars to the top. If you cannot see the three bars, just click on your profile picture here to the right. Then you will see the three bars to the top. We normally call them the hamburger signs. Just tap on it like that. Okay. Then what you want to see is just scroll down here. Then you will select your activity. This one here, your activity. Okay. Then scroll down. Then you will see this place for watch history under how to use Instagram. Okay. Just tap on watch history. Okay. Then all the reels that you've watched will appear here. As you can see, I don't have recently watched reels, so my tab is empty. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.